Yeah, it's my word, so that's why I'm gonna
It's your role.
I'm the only one that you see. I know what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you're falling in love with me. Are you ready?
हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू शान की दुनिया। सो आज का वीडियो में हम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ करने वाले हैं। आपने टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं नो वन कैन स्पीक हिंदी
in any language.
एनी लैंग्वेज। एवरी वन हैज़ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश के अलावा और कोई कुछ क्या हुआ?
Why you speaking Hindi? Yes,
नहीं बता चुके थे हम।
नहीं ये अभी बोल सकते हैं।
Introduction. अरे वेट
हाँ ये कर लो पहले, बड़े लोग हैं पहले ऐसे करते होंगे।
गाइज, सॉरी फॉर द कन्वीनियंस प्रॉब्लम, वट एवर इट वॉज। सो गाइज, हम अब ये गेम खेलने वाले हैं जिसमें कोई लैंग्वेज यूज नहीं कर सकता है एक्सेप्ट इंग्लिश। और अगर कोई हिंदी बोलता है या फिर गलती से बंगाली या नेपाली कुछ भी बोलता है, सो यहाँ पे सबको मिलके उसे देंगे पिछवाड़े में लाल। ठीक है, तो ये है हमारा गेम का रूल्स। और उस गेम के दौरान हम लोग खेलने वाले हैं ट्रूथ एंड डेयर,
ताकि सब एंगेज रहें।
ताकि सब एंगेज रहे और सबके मुंह से कुछ ना कुछ निकले। ओके, सो अब ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं। हमारा 3 कैमरा यहाँ पे रेडी है। सो हियर इज 1 कैमरा,
I will also
2 कैमरा एंड 3 कैमरा। सो यहाँ पे 3 कैमरा रेडी है। यहाँ पे मेरे सारे टीम मेंबर्स रेडी है। तो अभी हम शुरू करते हैं गेम। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। रेडी?
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.
It's Nadeem side. It's Roshan
side, right?
Yeah, because it's like this. Then
yes, okay.
I am gonna ask. Okay.
Why you gonna ask? Arshad,
I can ask you because it's like this.
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Okay.
So Roshan,
Yes.
truth and dare.
truth and dare. We can't make the dare. Okay, let's
Yes,
make it
yes,
only
yes.
truth. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we only ask questions.
Only
Okay.
truth game.
Yeah. Okay. So. Tell me about the whole day, the birthday, from the last night to now. How it was and what you have done.
It is very horrible.
Okay, don't laugh, don't laugh.
It is a tough question, yeah?
It is very horrible day for me.
Horrible day. This is a birthday.
It's a birthday. Why it was horrible? What happened?
I have to say something.
You have to say from last night to this.
From this question. No.
This is the funniest. You have. From starting, what happened last night? And then
Last night nothing. Brother came to my home and he made me surprise.
You don't need to like correct.
Yes. I will tell everything.
okay.
I will tell everything about my birthday last night.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, they all buy one cake for me. After that, I cut my cake. then I cut into pieces. Then I distribute cake to everyone. Then they all ate my cake. No one give one cake to me. They only showing that they are giving me cake, but this much only.
Small.
Yeah, small pieces. After that, we eat Sprite, Kurkure.
I drank that. He ate Sprite. Sprite, okay.
Yeah, after that, one son brother called me and he wished me. Then after that, we play PUBG, then I sleep. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's
So one more thing, guys.
Some water.
Today is birthday. So wish him happy birthday in the comments. don't forget it. Okay, so
Hashtag Roshan. Happy birthday.
okay, let's start again. Okay.
Ready?
Sahil will ask you also.
I'm ready.
So tell me about first day in your Bihar.
First day in my Bihar is quite boring because I
Whole day. Okay.
whole day. First I
2000 years later.
that all information in my vlog channel. I'm a lifestyle. So I'm a lifestyle.
You are promoting your channel. There is lots of cameras. Okay.
I'm a lifestyle.
Okay. Continue.
So
I'm talking about your first
I-
day. not-
First day, what you have done whole day?
in 4 a.m. At 4 a.m.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई? क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
At 4 a.m. I reached Bihar and my brother came to pick me and I going to home and I bath. Then I
Take breakfast and take breakfast.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Okay, so guys, this is the time when we are going to hit him because he is Hindi. He will. Okay, yeah, he will hit.
Okay. We will help.
This is the moment. Okay. Okay, ready? Get set. Go. Okay, so
this is quite interesting.
You.
You.
This way it's my
Nadeem will ask me.
Yes.
Ask something difficult.
Difficult.
Yeah.
Suggest me some. Why? Why?
Why they will suggest you?
They
It's
can
your
suggest- No. You have to.
Then what will be the
Yeah.
like?
Okay.
Yeah, you can ask.
Tell me your number in front of camera.
No. That's kind of.
Many girls are very happy then.
Ask anything, bro. Why?
So, what's your future plan? I mean, in
This so
working plan.
What is this? This is interview.
Wait a minute.
Please you change
Okay.
the question.
Let him finish first. Let him finish
Okay.
first. Your future plan. I mean, in working plan.
Working plan.
Yes.
Actually, right now I'm working in YouTube.
So it's kind of interview. So I am talking about my future goals. So I am working on YouTube and let this lockdown end and Corona end, and after that, maybe I'm going to shift.
We are not enjoying. He's
Yes,
doing
yes.
it. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Roshan. Okay, Roshan. Right. So, Roshan, tell me your first experience in your office. First day, first experience.
I thought he asked first day in case.
In your office, first day experience. How was the day?
First day of your work.
Yes.
Nice.
I have no words. How can I express? You are speechless, right? Yes, I am speechless. I am speechless.
What did you say? What did you say? Say clearly.
I said that I am speechless.
You can't be speechless. You have to.
I don't have words. How can I express my feelings? My point.
Okay, just say that what you have done first day.
I have done one MNP.
What does it mean?
MNP means.
What does it mean?
It means porting, like Vodafone, like there are many companies like telecom companies like
Boda Delhi, what is it? Boda Delhi?
there are.
You know that?
No, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. What you have done in your work. I mean to say what happened whole day. How, like when you go and.
No. Wait. I will tell you.
Brother, you are coming in between.
Oh, I'm sorry. How can you say that? Shan is seeing, no?
No. First day I go
School.
First day I go medical mode for my work.
Yeah.
Then I go medical mode. Then I have no words. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I have no words.
Okay. You done it. I am the only one?
Again.
You will ask.
No, you will ask.
You will ask.
I will ask.
Why me?
What I have done?
I am not going to ask you.
Okay,
You
I
can
will ask now.
Yeah.
You told me this.
Too much time.
Wait, I have to think. I have to think. Wait, memorize. What you thought before buying iPhone? What you thought? Tell me.
I didn't
Which
thought
one?
anything.
This one? Yeah.
This one.
Wait a minute. This one.
Okay. Actually, I didn't thought anything.
Yes. Why you bought?
I have iPhone before also.
Yeah.
So that's why I had to buy another iPhone. So that's why I bought it. It's in.
I didn't understand anything.
All of the rituals, right?
Please talk like us.
We talk like here.
Yeah, brother. This is not fair.
Yes, please talk like us.
We are talking like this. You are. What is this?
Yes. So this is how I speak. No, what should I do now?
Dino, just act.
This is not okay. Act.
Oh yes, act like us.
Okay. Cut.
We are also actors. We are
Okay,
also
okay.
actors.
Acting. What?
Yes. No.
This is your way. Okay. I will ask to Arshad. Arshad, you can say anything because last time also I asked.
No.
I asked.
No one can give suggestion. You only said that.
Arshad. Tell me, what is it you truly desire? It's one correct question. Okay, what I was saying, what should I ask? Okay, why you thought to make a channel, YouTube channel?
Which one?
Anyone, whatever made you.
He made 4 channels.
Okay, what is okay.
Always he promotes his channel.
Doesn't matter, no one is going to see. Is he spoke in Hindi?
We hustlers also.
Very good. Okay, now.
Nice job.
First of all, I started watching videos on YouTube. Then I enjoyed a lot Mumbai Ka Nikhil's vlog. Then I wants to become a vlogger. Then I started a new channel and now I upload 140 probably 140 videos and I'm happy.
Oh my god.
He grown up.
Yeah.
He didn't hesitate once. Oh my god.
That's
Oh, clap for him.
Our lifestyle.
Your turn.
So tell me,
What?
how many girlfriends you have?
Now I have girlfriend. now I don't have any girlfriend. Okay, girlfriend.
Girlfriend, can you see?
Yes,
lying,
I don't have any girlfriend.
No, he's talking about how many you had.
No, he said how
No,
many
you
girlfriend
had.
you have.
No, you had.
Yeah.
I said to say had. He doesn't
Yeah.
know.
He
Huh?
was about to say had, but you said had.
He's little poor in English.
Then we are brother.
Now say.
1, 2.
He's very
Yes, 1, 2, 1.
1 2 means 3.
No, 1, 2 means 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Okay. Let's continue.
Do your part.
This is outside.
Yeah.
Ask to Arshad.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, what should I ask?
Don't think too much.
What should I ask? he doesn't have any. He doesn't have any girlfriend. He's a virgin.
We are also brother.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ
Give us chance.
Girls,
It's family show. We can't speak about it.
if in future you have a girlfriend, so how will you feel?
Obviously, he will feel happy, no? Say something.
And
What he will do?
what do you do?
What
First day.
What
First, I post a story. Finally, I have a girlfriend.
Finally, guys, I have a girlfriend.
Finally, I have my girlfriend. You're bisexual. And not everyone, only close friends. Because in locality, many aunties
I can't understand.
talking like media. Like little bit. Talk. They make bigger to bigger.
I can't understand what he want to say.
But I enjoy.
Why the hell you are looking in that
Yes.
camera? You have a personal
Yes.
camera.
Sorry guys for this.
If we will give him kheer, then also he will eat khichdi.
Hey guys. So, this.
Everyone say something, okay?
Yeah. In English. Okay. So guys, we just completed the game. I think it's already too long, so we are not going further. So let's end this game here only, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So must like and comment and tell us that what is the best part you have seen and the funniest part. You can comment and do not forget to subscribe. And now everybody will speak something. Okay, first Roshan, you say something.
Today is my birthday. I'm born today. This is my best birthday because I enjoy a lot. This game is very. You can also play. This game is very good. Now you will speak as well.
I will say this was the best birthday for Roshan, right?
Yes,
Roshan,
yes, brother. Yes.
you tell you
something
got
about
many kicks
Yes.
on your ass.
Yes, brother. Yes.
From me, you have gotten 2 kicks. That was more harder. Nadeem, now you.
My question is,
No one is asking question.
hey, this question is mine. I am asking you, why did you born? You are useless, brother.
Why you?
No, he was not useless. No. He was not useless.
Okay,
He was
Roshan, you want to say
useful
something
for
to
someone.
Nadeem?
No.
Arshan, now you say.
Today is my brother's birthday, so you guys.
Why you not talking about life? Why you involving me?
We have get to the topic of your birthday right now.
Why everyone is talking about this?
I don't understand. Please comment. Please wish him and subscribe to Amar Lifestyle.
What lifestyle?
Link
That's
in
a everyone is
lifestyle.
fine.
That's a
Fine.
lifestyle, right? I'm not good in this game, so they are forcing me to join this game.
This is
I
overacting.
also enjoy.
You are very excited for this game. You
No,
said
I'm not
that. You said
excited.
that. You.
Ask Nadine. Something happened to me. Just
Okay.
Just leave. Done.
Okay, so guys, here we are done, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you want another part, so comment and tell us that if you want another part of this game, then we are continue this game. Okay, so
Love you.
मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक बाय बाय एंड लव यू.